Hello, this is the ANN, Anatomy News Network. We have some great news. The tissues are here. Tissues are a group of similar cells that perform a common function. All of our famous tissues are here today. Epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous. Our friend Jimmy Nguyen is interviewing epithelial tissue. Over to you, Jimmy. Cut. Thank you, Steven. I'm here with epithelial tissue. Mr. Epithelial Tissue, please tell us a little bit about yourself.
I, epithelial tissue, and to cover the body. I have two types, cover and lines, and glandular. I have four functions: protection, secretion, sensory reception, and transport. Protection, I protect from UV rays, dehydration, and pathogens. I secrete enzymes, hormones, milk, saliva, mucus, sweat, etc. Sensory reception, I use my five senses to protect myself. And I transport fluids, gases, and nutrients to other parts of the body. I have five characteristics: cellularity, polarity, supported by connective tissue, avascular innervated, and regeneration. Yes. For cover and lines, I have four types of cell shapes: squamous cells, which are flat, cells with a nucleus. It looks like an egg. Cuboidal cells. They are cube or hexagonal shaped, and in the center is a nucleus. Columnar cells. They are a rectangular cell with an oval nucleus at the bottom of the cell. Transitional. They can either be flat or tall and transform to flat or tall. I have three types of different layers of cells: simple, which is single layer; stratified, which is multiple layer; and pseudo-stratified, which is one layer but looks like more than one. And for glandular type, I have an endocrine gland, which secretes hormones into the bloodstream, and I have exocrine glands, which secretes outside. Three types of glands: merocrine glands, which secretion passes through the cell membrane; apocrine glands, which secretion goes portion of the cell and it breaks off; and holocrine cells, which the entire cell breaks off.
Thank you, Jimmy. Now our friend Chan Lee is interviewing connective tissue. Over to you, Chan.
Thank you, Steven. I'm here with connective tissue. Mr. Connective Tissue, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Cut. Hi, I'm the connective tissue and I support the body. I have three classes: connective tissue proper, fluids, and supporting. I also have four functions: support and protection, transportation, storage, and defense of the body. I am made of three things: cells, fibers, and ground substance. Fibers and ground substance are extracellular matrix, which are non-living things. Ground substance are things that fills in between the cells and fibers. Fibers support the tissue. There are three types of fibers: reticular, collagen, and elastic. Collagen is the strongest and most abundant fiber. Elastics are fibers that stretches and recoils. And reticular are fibers that surround blood vessels and small organs. There are two types of cells: blast and cyte, also known as immature or mature cells. There are three types of cells: fat cells, white blood cells, and mast cells. Fat cells stores nutrients. White blood cells responds to an injury and kills bacteria. Thank you, Chan. Now our friend Andrew McCarthy will be interviewing muscle tissues. Over to you, Andrew.
Thank you, Steven. I am here with muscle tissue in his workout bedroom. Mr. Muscle Tissue, please tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hello. I help the body move. I have three types of muscles: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscle. Skeletal muscles, we pull on the bones for movement, like right now. And we are made of muscle cells. Muscle cells have many nuclei. Cardiac muscles, we can be found in the heart, right here. We help blood flow throughout the body. And we have only one nucleus. And finally, smooth muscles, which can be found in hollow organs. And all we do is squeeze substance through these hollow tubes.
Thank you, Andrew. Finally, our friend Dante Doe will be interviewing nervous tissue. Over to you, Dante.
Thank you, Steven. I am here with nervous tissue. Mr. Nervous Tissue, please tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm nervous tissue, and I control the body. I have two types of cells, supporting and neurons. Neurons generate and conduct nerve impulses. Their cytoplasmic extensions allow them to transmit electrical impulses in the body. Dendrites are short and receive information, while axons are long and send information. Supporting cells are cells that support, insulate, and protect the neurons.
Thank you, Dante. That'll end our newscast for today. Thank you for watching the ANN, and good night, everyone.